Today I have a Prince Manufacturing Company VESTAL Petrol lighter. Has some dents and dings, scuffs, scrapes. Not the typical lighter that I would normally make a video about. I guess at the basis level it is because I make videos to embed into my eBay listings so that when you're getting ready to purchase this lighter, you know how it functions, you know that it works. But this lighter is beat up a little bit. But when I do finally get around to listing this, it's a decent lighter. I'll probably list it for $15 or $20. So anyway, at that sense, I would. I've just got a lot of lighters right now that I've been making videos of that are, a little bit rare, a little bit more hard to come by, a little bit maybe have a little bit more value than this one. But this one does have a couple of features that are not common to vintage petrol lighters at all. So anyway, the first thing is where most petrol lighters are going to have a screw on the bottom that unscrews to fill, or an insert that you pull out and put it in the cotton. This has a spring tension twist bottom mechanism here. So don't need a screwdriver or anything like that to refuel it. You're just going to squirt your fluid right there into the felt. So that's the one feature. I know that is that there are some Ronson Whirlwinds and maybe Ronson Standard. I don't remember exactly, but some of them have this twist bottom feature with the spring tension, which is kind of nifty. Like I said, you don't need a screwdriver, and also, seals tighter. Should seal tighter. It does have an actual seal there, an actual gasket. So the fuel efficiency should be better in this than say a Zippo with the insert just slipping in the case like it does. The other feature, to open it back up to look at, is the flint spring screw, which normally you'd need a screwdriver or have to be able to get your thumb on there. Well, this folds up under there, and then you just use it to unscrew itself. My hands aren't so good, so this may take me a minute fiddling with it, getting it in the right position. And not the first time I've done it. It's probably going to take me more than one attempt to get it stabbed in there and started, because there's not a lot of wiggle room for my screwed up fingers. But anyway, there it is. Flint. See that? Doing it twice before now rather than just once may have taught me a trick there. So anyway, that's all pretty nifty there. No screwdriver needed to fuel it, or for your to replace your flint. Now, Prince lighters, I believe, were made in Japan. This lighter doesn't say anywhere on it. It does say right here, Prince, and then it has some sort of a symbol here that I couldn't make out. I think it's some generic symbol that the manufacturer in Japan put on there. I don't know if the patent numbers are even valid. I don't know. But anyway, I wish I could access the Toledo Bend Vintage Cigarette Lighters website like I used to, and maybe I could have had a little bit more solid information about it. But it is a very nifty lighter, the way that it is. Like I said, you don't need a tool of any kind to do your normal maintenance or fueling. This particular one was pretty clean. Drilled out the tube and was able just to pull the wick up a little bit and snip it off. And you can see that it's used. Definitely somewhere, you know, I know this right here drives Zippo collectors crazy. They don't like to see those windshields all marred up, but it's going to happen when you use a lighter. Anyway, like I said, this lighter, not the most valuable lighter in the world. But it's got some features that you don't see every day on a vintage Petrol lighter. If you like the channel, please subscribe. Please like the video that you're watching right now and comment below.